Yo, that's a boy.
No, I went to KMTC. No, not KMTC, not KMTC, sorry.
Mr. Mutuse,
Yes,
how did you become a lawyer?
I got it now. Not KMTC. I went to Kabete Veterinary School of Law.
Mr. Mutuse,
Yes.
how do you find the ladies in the house? Are they beautiful?
Yeah, wow.
Ladies, hi! Happy International Women's Day! Ladies, Babinduru! Mr. Mutuse,
Yes,
are the ladies beautiful?
they are wow.
Tell them they are beautiful.
Oh, ladies, hi. You look wow.
Is that true?
Yeah, they
Mr.
are
Mutuse,
Yes.
I have one question for you.
Okay.
The ladies are very beautiful.
Yeah, they are beautiful.
Why are you gay?
Mwega muthikiria na mwirori wa Miaki na Membe TV nguraga hano ho mucie wigue wi mucie ngiatomorwo wa Kimani. Riu ino ni video ria iragitigire andu mwena uria wa Ngemi Festival magikenete muno tondu ona views ciake mwena uria wa TikTok ni githiete muno tondu Samido apart from singing entertainment acokete kamenya thio ringi kwanza ya entertain andu ni comic joke ta comedy fulani uguo. Riu ni rakiria Mr. Mutuse iragitigire andu magikenete muno. Maoni mao ni ta maya. Ani Mwangali akauga atiriri, Samido never disappoint. Shell media kamwita my lover. Mr. Mutuse agagikenia andu aria muno. Rival Life akauga atiriri, hivyo sasa msiniachage mkienda huko sasa. Agakirekia maoni mao. Kiabati akauga atiriri, mujakaga muno, very creative na Mr. Mutuse. Kijana amunyu akauga atiriri, Gishuru naye anasemaje pande ile nyingine? Ni about Mr. Mutuse.